Hello and good morning. Sunday, June 1st, 7:57 a.m. and it's day 3 of camping. It's my last day here. I gotta work tomorrow, unfortunately. So I'm about to get out on the water. Surprisingly enough, yesterday the morning bite was not as hot as I would have expected. You know, Friday night's bite was hotter than yesterday's morning bite, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. Slept in a little bit longer. Yesterday I started fishing around 6:30 a.m. Today I'm starting at 8. It's gonna get really hot really fast, so I want to get out on the water at least for a couple hours while everybody's still waking up. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna throw the top water, throw the usual culprits, the Senko, the Ned rig, and that Bluegill Swimbait since I've been getting action on it. So let's see what happens, and wish me luck. Cheers. Прикинь, китайцы приехали на пару часов вчера и уже уезжают. Клюют здесь. Dan, fish on the gill. Смотрите. All right. It's been quite some time without a bite this morning. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Which is crazy because to get him on the freaking bluegill and then not get anything else on anything all day. Also, we maybe should have just stayed on the weeds. Fish on. Finally, man. I'll take that. Beautiful.
Does it? No, he told me. legit.
Fish on. I don't. Shoot. Not a bad one. Fish on. Fish on. Good old Ned. Solid. Well, I'm home now, and what a fun few days of fishing. Camping, fishing, eating, chilling, napping on grass, swimming, just hanging out in the woods. It was awesome. This is an outro for probably the third video of 3 days of fishing. Like I mentioned in one of my intros or outros, I already forgot, but I didn't want to make this 1 hour-long video, so I split it up into 3 days. This morning, fishing was okay. Not great. I feel like the fish either got pressurized over the weekend. There was a few other kayak fishermen there, but Friday night was definitely the best bite. Yesterday it got worse, and today, this morning, was even worse. So I don't know what the deal was, but or like there was just less fish biting. But I can't complain. It was still super fun. No massive fish, and I knew that going in. This place doesn't have many big fish. The biggest fish that I've caught here was a 3.3 pounder. I don't even know, 4 or 5 years ago. On Wednesday, I did catch a 2 pounder here, which was cool. That video is already up on the channel. It was just fun fishing. Nothing massive, but a good time spent with friends, so no complaints. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for checking out my channel. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks.